Hello and welcome to Lesson 23, Session 5, refining our skills in subtracting within 10. And we're going to begin with a warm-up that looks a lot like the work done in Session 4. We have the fingers that are showing us how many we start with, and we're going to use a subtraction problem to see how many are left. So we're going to begin with this one here. It says 10 minus 3 equals blank. I see a picture here where it shows 10 fingers, and we're going to take 3 away. So I'm going to cross off 3 fingers, and we're going to count to see how many fingers are left. Now, I know that one hand has 5 fingers. So I'm going to go ahead and start with 5 and keep counting. So I have 5, 6, 7. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Very good. Now let's look at this picture here. I see a picture that shows 9 fingers up. Okay, it looks like this, and it says to take 3 away. So when I take 3 fingers away on this hand here, I have 5, 6. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Let's go into our lesson 5 now, and I'm going to begin with a story problem, and I want you to follow along with your markers as well. So we're going to use dots. I'm just using red because it's easy to see. You can use any color you want. And I'm going to tell a story, and as I'm telling the story, I want you to follow along and fill in the tens frame. Sarah picked 9 flowers. So let's put 9 dots in our tens frame. I know there will be 9 without counting because I know that 10 minus 1, I'm going to leave empty, equals 9. I'm also going to write that 9 on the line here. Sarah picks 9 flowers. She gives 5 away. So now I know I'm going to subtract 5. I'm going to take 5 away by putting X's on them. 3, 4, 5. How many flowers are left? So let's go back and count how many dots we have left in our tens frame. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 minus 5 equals 4. All right, now for this second page here, it has all the dots put in for you for the beginning numbers, 7, 8, and 10. Now to subtract, I want you to go ahead and write those X's. So if it says minus 2, you're going to go ahead and put an X on 2 of those so that you can find your answer. For the first problem, it wants you to solve, and let me go ahead and erase that. It wants you to put the X's on there and solve and choose one of these answers. So they want to know if 7 minus 2 equals 5, 7, or 9. For the next 2, they want you to cross off what's being subtracted and then write your answer. After you finish this, you are ready for the quiz. We'll see you next week.